My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I've been an interfaith minister and a psychic medium now for many years. And I'd like to share with you what I believe to be a very important spiritual principle for us to embrace and to understand at this time. And that principle is that all is mind. That we, you and I, live, move, and have our very being within the divine mind, within divine consciousness. All consciousness here that exists in this reality arises from divine mind, divine consciousness. It's also important that we understand that our thoughts shape our reality. Everything exists within the infinite field of the divine awareness, divine consciousness. That same intelligence that orchestrates galaxies also dreams through your imagination. You are a thought within the mind of God. And astonishingly, that same mind thinks and creates through you. This means your thoughts are sacred tools of creation here in this world as well. When we think, when we love, we align with the creative vibrations of the divine, of God. When we dwell in fear, we distort that signal and experience separation from the divine. God, the divine, is unconditional love, and distorting that love into fear separates us. Every thought, every emotion contributes to the reality that we experience. Quantum mechanics shows that observation shapes what manifests. Consciousness does not sit outside the universe. It participates in its creation at every moment. Reality is fluid, waiting instructions from the field of our awareness. This echoes the sacred truth that is ancient, that thought precedes form, that what we focus upon becomes. The universe behaves as if it knows we are watching because, in truth, there is no out there. All is consciousness interacting with itself through perception and intention. I have a suggestion for you. Spend each morning aligning your mind with love and with gratitude. Speak your intentions as blessings rather than demands or negotiations. When negative thoughts arise, do not judge them, push them away. Gently return to the awareness that you are co-creating with the divine in this moment. This practice turns your inner dialogue into prayerfulness and your life into a sacred art, and transforms negativity into positivity, into beauty and unconditional love. When we enter a room with calm confidence, others feel at ease. When we hold resentment, the atmosphere around you tightens. Your inner state radiates outward, shaping your experience and the experience of those around you, those you meet. The one mind is always reflecting your vibration back to you, teaching you how to create consciously. In closing, I'd like to say, there is but one mind, and that is divine mind. When we think with love, you think with God. When you think with fear, you think through the absence of God. The world you experience is not separate from you. It is the living reflection of your inner light, your inner being, of your eternal, infinite self. I wish you much joy and happiness. And God bless you and thank you for being you and for contributing to this amazing place that we live in and being a co-creator to such beauty and amazing diversity. Thank you and God bless.